Well, hello, Missy. We got one escapee right here. We got, 14 wild turkey today. Pretty doe right there.
There's 15, honey.
15 wild
Look
turkey.
Look at these two right here with the white, real white faces.
Yeah.
They've got colors on their back that the others don't have.
Wow. 14. Usually we got 7 and 8, and this whole gaggle here must have told another gaggle. Hey, where you going?
Look at that one's back.
We got 15 deer that rotate in and out. There's Cheesy. Kenny Cheese Knees. Kenny Cheese Knees.
The louder you get, the more they run.
Oh, okay. The whole gaggle of, you said 15?
There were 15, yeah.
15 in that gaggle.
A big one came just as you walked away.
Wow. 3 doe came already. A little fawn. Huh?
Yeah.
A foam.
There was 2.
Did you say foam?
Yeah, phone.
Phone? Not a phone like a cellular phone, but a foam. A fawn.
We got a brave kitten over there. Tom Tom.
Tom Tom go. Well, come on, gaggle.
Tom Tom's trying to go after him.
Oh my God, Tom Tom. These cats have no fear.
No, they don't.
What are they called? They're Bengal and Tabby.
Yeah.
I wish I could get closer to the gaggle.
The further you keep walking, the more. If you just stand still, they'll start coming closer.
Okay.
As long as they're over here, they're not getting shot at.
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Oh no! Oh, Tom Tom, no! Come down. Oh my God. Don't do that. Digger chased Tom Tom up the tree. What, Mama? You want to go in here, Mama?
Well, I reckon they done eating. I threw deer corn and I threw some 12% sweet horse feed too. They must have really liked that. There goes Tom Tom go. Tom Tom go. Yeah, he's hiding in this stump right here. Come here, Tom Tom. There he goes.
Come here, Tom Tom. You're too little to be climbing up that tree that high.
Let's go see if.
He's got his 2 buddies.
Let's go see if Shelby's done eating.
Come on, Mama.
Oh, Shelby's still eating. Hi, Shelby. Hi, Shelby. Whoa. Oh, my gosh. I almost slipped in the mud. We've had so much rain.
It's slippery.
Those two hurricanes out there churning up. One's Imelda and Henrico and Humberta. Enrico and Humberta. And I lost a whole day yesterday, to mud. I just almost fell on my face, too, when I walked over to this fence. Hi, Shelby.
Yeah, that's why I haven't been working him, because I don't want him to slip.
Oh, no, it's too slippery. And the round panel just turned to mud like this is turning to.
I know.
Turning to mud. Coming to you from the Appalachian America. I like to call this
Mustang country.
Mustang country, but it's really God's country. Appalachian America is
Definitely God's country.
definitely God's country. See ya.